So I want to use Unreal Engine, but my problem is that my current laptop isn't performant enough to run Unreal Engine. So I'm going to use a Flaneer workstation. So I've just logged into my Flaneer dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and launch my Unreal Game Design instance. It's just going to load briefly while it connects me to the cloud machine. Now I've connected, I'm just going to full screen, and it's difficult to notice the difference between this and a regular Windows machine at this point. So I'm going to open Unreal Engine here, and you should be able to see that this is loading as you expect any high performance workstation to load. Nice and quick. And I'm just opening a test project that I've already got. Okay, and I've loaded in here. And I'm just going to open a little dummy material that I've made just to illustrate how the Flaneer cloud machines run in their performant like you would expect of any high power workstation. As I begin to tweak the values in my clear coat shader here, a clear coat shader can actually take up quite a lot of graphics resource as you play with it. But you can see here that as I play with this value, it's almost instantaneous in how it changes. And let's say that this is all I wanted to do today. So I'm just going to save my project here and close it. And then this is where another strength of Flaneer is shown, is that I can just close this. My device is already backed up into the cloud, so there's no need to push it to an external source control. I can pick this up later on the same device or another device, or I could hand this over to a teammate if they wanted to work on the same project, and they could just boot up the exact same machine.